everyone. So I'm vlogging today because me and my friend Laura, who you might have seen in the vlog before, we are heading off to the zoo. And I actually haven't been in Dublin Zoo before at all, so I'm really excited. I don't know if the brightness is... Yeah, is that better? Yeah, we're going to the Dublin Zoo. I'm really excited because I haven't been. So yeah, I'm bringing you along for my first time in the Dublin Zoo. Let's go. Ladies and gents, I have arrived and I got the best spot in the house. I believe so. Literally first row. So I'm really excited. So I'm gonna go and find Laura now. Here she is, a wild Laura. Don't know what she's doing wearing a jacket. That's my only concern. I'm boiling. But yeah, there she is. Hello. You look so nice. Hi. I was like, that's Laura. And then I said to the camera, why is she wearing a jacket? I'm boiling. A wild lion. Yeah, that's as much as we're seeing. Oh, look at you. That tail though. Oh,
it's like a cat.
Yeah.
You see it? Look. Oh my goodness. Look, he's green, red bread. He's gone red. He has black.
Cool, aren't they? Imagine that, like walking down your garden.
That was it.
But no, we're stuck with the boring things. Wow.
Imagine it popped up.
Wow. And the award for the best sea lion goes to that chap that just went that way. I love how chill they are. They're just on their back. That's going to be me in a couple of weeks. Look at me, Laura.
I want to get that clip and then I want to like bring my GoPro and get used to it. I'm looking side by side.
Oh, I love it. Oh my god.
Oh, he's so cute. Hey, do they have really long lungs? Because they go to the
You get like such good footage on your camera.
They can breathe underwater.
looks like my ties.
God, it was like, oh, I don't fit. Oh, that is lit. Okay, I kind of do. That's brilliant. That is. Okay, Rose. God, did you get him? Pretty sure he's a
Okay. Definitely grew a little bit. You need a picture in it as well. Come on, I'll take a picture of you.
Child wants to make a wish.
Yeah, but you're next.
Don't wish for a man.
Okay, let's go. I forgot to record.
Okay.
There's Laura.
Am I done?
Yeah, let's go. There's a pig that Laura had in her sandwich approximately half an hour ago.
Oh, piggy piggies.
They're so lazy, aren't they?
What did they say?
And they're ginger as well.
Sheep.
Oh, sheep! They're different than in Hollywood. That's, and it looks like it's smiling. That's you eating a chicken nugget.
Oh my god, it is. It's me.
All is well.
Literally.
Go. Bye, Zoo.
Spending all that money.
Look what I got. A Dublin Zoo penny. I made it myself and all. Well, thank you for bringing me to the zoo.
No problem.
That was, I don't know if I said, but that was my first time ever in the Dublin Zoo. Even though I'm in Ireland 11 years next week, so, I mean, great. But yeah, let's go. Let's go and do something. Don't know what we're doing. Laura wants chicken nuggets. Always.